Right now, as you watch this, something enormous is moving toward us. It's not a planet. It's not a star. It's an entire galaxy. 2.5 million light-years away, the Andromeda Galaxy is drifting silently through space. You can't feel it. You can't see it without a telescope, but it's coming, straight for us. And there's nothing that can stop it. To understand what that really means, we need to leave Earth behind. We pull away from the planet, watching continents shrink into clouds. The moon slips past us. Then the planets fade, one by one, until the sun becomes just another star in a crowded sky. Beyond the edge of our solar system lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast graveyard of ice and rock. Past that, even the sun's influence weakens. This is interstellar space, the space between stars. Here, distances stop making sense. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes years to cross this emptiness. Signals fade. Heat disappears. There's no sound, no landmarks, no sense of movement at all. And yet, we keep going. As we travel farther, the Milky Way reveals itself from the outside. A massive spiral of hundreds of billions of stars stretching over 100,000 light-years across. Every human who has ever lived exists somewhere inside this glowing disk. Now, look ahead. At first, Andromeda is just a faint smudge, but as we approach, it grows, slowly, relentlessly, until it fills the view. Andromeda is enormous. It contains roughly 1 trillion stars, more than twice as many as the Milky Way. Its spiral arms are wider, its core denser, its gravity stronger. This is not just another galaxy, it's a heavyweight. What you're seeing isn't Andromeda as it is now. You're seeing it as it was 2.5 million years ago. The light from its stars began its journey before modern humans existed. Everything about this view is history. And that history is already locked in motion. Andromeda and the Milky Way are falling toward each other at over 100 kilometers per second. Space itself is drawing them together. In about 4 billion years, the night sky will look nothing like it does today. The first signs will be subtle. Andromeda will grow brighter, larger, stretching across the sky. Over millions of years, its stars will become clearly visible to the naked eye, forming a second glowing band beside the Milky Way. Then, the real encounter begins. Despite what movies show, stars almost never collide. Space is too vast. But gravity doesn't need collisions to cause chaos. As the galaxies pass through each other, their shapes will tear apart. Spiral arms will stretch and warp. Stars will be flung into new orbits. Entire solar systems will be thrown into deep space. The night sky will be filled with stars so dense it will never truly be dark. For millions of years, the two galaxies will dance, separate, and slam back together again. Each pass, stripping structure away, pulling both galaxies into something unrecognizable. Eventually, the motion settles. What remains is a single, massive galaxy, often called Milkomeda, a smooth, glowing ellipse filled with ancient stars, drifting quietly through space. By then, Earth likely won't exist. The sun will be nearing the end of its life. Humanity, if it still exists at all, will be unrecognizable. Everything familiar about the sky will be gone. And yet, the universe won't notice. Galaxies collide all the time. This isn't rare. This isn't special. It's just gravity doing what it always does. Andromeda isn't invading us. It isn't attacking. It's simply following the rules of the universe. The journey to Andromeda isn't really about traveling across space. It's about realizing how small our moment is. 2 galaxies. Trillions of stars, billions of years, and for a brief instant, we're here to watch it all unfold.